PAVTECH is a nanotechnology company that specializes in nanotechnology cold asphalt mix, 100% made in Quebec, of which it has its own formulations. PAVTECH has developed a nanotechnology cold asphalt mix, the iSphalt 6.5, for permanent pothole repairs in all weather conditions. iSphalt 6.5 is made from black granite, high density, more than 3 tons per cubic meter.
Designed for asphalt and concrete repairs. It reacts with water to produce a permanent repairs. No heavy machinery is required and immediately ready for traffic.
Unlike other cold asphalt products, which offer only temporary repairs, it saves time and money, eliminating expensive and repetitive repairs. It significantly reduces hours of work and significantly reduces the risks associated with the safety of roadwork crews.
iSphalt 6.5 is a revolutionary, high-performance, and flexible product. iSphalt 6.5 is designed for use with an outside temperature between -25 and 30 degrees Celsius. However, the iSphalt 6.5 will be more malleable at outside temperatures above -10 degrees Celsius in winter. During the winter months, make sure that iSphalt 6.5 is above 15 degrees Celsius before applying.
C'est de l'asphalte à l'eau, ça n'a pas besoin de collage, tu mets de l'eau et ça tient.
Tu vois?
Ah, c'est surprenant.
C'est un produit du Québec en plus.
iSphalt 6.5 is extraordinarily successful in repairing potholes. In most cases, simply remove all the detached materials and rinse the outline of the area to be repaired. Place iSphalt 6.5 inside the pothole and level it with a rake or a shovel. Once leveled, saturate the product with water and compact it. Our iSphalt 6.5 remains flexible after repair and will continue to adapt to correct defects, such as cracks caused by unwanted impacts. The product has flexibility, makes repairs permanent, and resists impacts.
PAVTECH grants a 6-month warranty on repair if the application has been made according to the manufacturer's instructions.
Even impacts of a mass of 4 pounds cannot damage the repair. We have repairs which are more than 3 years old on busy road networks without deterioration or rupture.
iSphalt 6.5 can be used in all weather conditions. In cold, hot, rain, snow, freezing rain. iSphalt 6.5 is approved by the City of Montreal and Transport Quebec and used by many cities. PAVTECH's plant and laboratories are in Montreal area. The materials come from his own black granite quarry in Abitibi-Temiskaming. iSphalt 6.5 by PAVTECH. A nanotechnology cold asphalt mix. The solution for permanent pothole repairs.